Welcome to the report of me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so that's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. Then near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap OK and again OK, and then go back. After that, tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now just the process is finished, and let's go, for example, here to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.